Hey guys, I just wanted to do a video on the Whiskey 2-4 straps, as I will reference as the What the Fix straps from now on. I'm not sure if that's what they wanted, but you know. Anyways, I just made a video because nobody has made a video on installing these, and just in case, I don't know, somebody wasn't sure. Although it's pretty simple because it's just like fixing any MOLLE webbing attachment. So the supplier I got my mag pouch from gave me these malice clips, which are fine, but he gave me the long ones. So unfortunately, I had to tuck them in, and I don't really like it because they can move around kind of, and either way, like the long tails are sticking out, and tucking them in kind of pushes it out just a little bit, and it doesn't really do anything, but just kind of annoyed me. So I picked up the short What the Fix straps to solve my problem here, and I just wanted to make a video on how to fix them. Alright, so first I'm going to take out the malice clips here. Alright, lift up the tab and pull out. I find it's easier to put tension on the bottom strap, lift up the lock, and then just pull out. And then you just pull it out. Unweave it. There you go. Yeah. So I imagine the long What the Fix straps would be this length afterwards, but these are the short ones, so. Alright. So now I'm going to put these through. Goes in like this. They're a little bit sticky because they're like rubbery, so this might be kind of a pain to do, but you can also use needle nose pliers. According to STAC, they've done it quite a bit without damaging the straps, so that's good. Oh, never mind, I got it. Yeah, so you just push it through. There you go. That'll then strap down like that. I have a used one here. There it goes. It's kind of weird. After you do it, pull it through, it can get marked up, and it's just weird because there's no black part here, but I'm curious where that's from. Not that it matters. Doesn't really matter which way you put it in, really. That helps a lot to take out the magazine. Okay. Alright, so once you have this through, then go to install it. Alright, so just like usual, you're going to weave it through the first loop. Being careful not to pull it through. Or pull it through here anyways. Alright. And then weave it under. Try to keep this in frame here. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to do because they're a little bit sticky, so. Got that one through. And then I'm just going to do one, and hopefully I can just do the other one after that. Well, I imagine if I'd gotten the long ones for these straps, it would have been better to tuck away, kind of like I did with the malice clips, since they're really soft and flexible. But, alright, there's one. Got that through. So you just tuck this in, and I found it's easy just to kind of tuck it in one side to the other side, or in the middle there. Stick this through. I honestly thought this was going to be a lot easier. It turned out to be a little more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Kind of because they're so sticky. Okay, so once you get here, fold the one side, pull that through, and then you just fold the other side. Well, now that I'm doing this, I'm curious if they meant to use the long ones for even 3 rows of moly. Yeah, doesn't matter. Alright, and then fold the other side in, pull it through. Okay, then once you get here, you just fold this back in one more time. And although this is soft, I really don't see this coming out, because I mean, it's quite a bit of work just to get it in anyways. This video turned out to be way longer than I thought it was gonna be. There we go. So there's one. And so I wonder if there's a better technique to do this. It's kind of easier to do like sideways, from the side rather than up and down. Move it back under. Yes, much easier to do that way. So it's better to go this way rather than kind of going up and down like you traditionally do. Alright. Side. Fold it down, pull it through, and do the other side. Alright. And then once you get that through, tuck it back in. Yeah, this is where them being sticky really helps, because yeah, I really don't see this coming out. There we go. As secure as it'll be, I guess. And that's kind of what they look like when they're secure. Okay, thanks.